With one pink Minnie-style image, I'm going to fill this entire party table. From cupcake toppers to favor jars, treat bags, a centerpiece, popcorn snack boxes, a cake topper, and even a life-size cutout stand. Let me show you how one custom image can expand into a full party theme. First, I choose the photo. I look for one with a clear, cute expression, then isolate just the face. Next, I blend it naturally into a pink Minnie-style character. I add the classic Minnie ears and a soft pink bow. To make it feel extra baby cute, I slightly enlarge the face. Then I create a matching name logo. Maddie is turning 1. For the color palette, I keep it simple. Once the Minnie image and name logo are done, I prepare them in 3 different sizes and print them using a 4x6 photo printing service. Now let's build each piece. I start with the smallest size. I cut around the image, leaving a white border. That white outline is more important than it looks. It really helps the design stand out. Then I attach it to wooden cocktail sticks using a glue gun. You can bake cupcakes at home, but I use store-bought cupcakes with pink frosting. Placing the Minnie character and the name logo side by side instantly upgrades them. A simple cupcake turns into a custom party dessert. Next, I'm making favor jars using paper straw toppers. I use a slightly larger size than the cupcake version. After cutting with a white border, I glue them onto paper straws. I chose light pink and purple striped straws. They pair perfectly with the Minnie theme. For ribbon, I mix light pink and hot pink to keep the tones consistent. Inside small glass jars, I add mini marshmallows, colorful gummies, milk bottle candy, and M&M chocolate balls. I poke a small hole in the lid, insert the straw, and close it up. Lined up together, the jars look colorful, cute, and so fun. Now for the treat bags. I use the same size image as the favor jar. After cutting with a white border, I punch a hole at the top and thread a thin string to create a tag. I fill clear bags with white and pink marshmallows. Then I tie them like little gifts using light pink and hot pink ribbons. Finally, I attach the tag. It turns into the sweetest marshmallow treat bag. For the centerpiece, I use the largest size. Since it sits in the middle of the table, it needs to stand out from a distance. I mount the cut image onto glitter light pink and hot pink cardstock. That makes it sturdier and sparkly from the back. Then I attach a large popsicle stick with hot glue for support. I fill a medium glass jar with M&Ms and Maltesers and decorate the rim with 2 pink ribbons. Placing the Minnie image and name logo side by side creates a beautiful centerpiece. Next are the popcorn snack boxes. I use the same size as the centerpiece. Instead of glue, I use double-sided tape so it's easy to remove later. The name logo goes on the front and the Minnie image goes on the back. I fill the clear boxes with salty popcorn and caramel popcorn. A simple snack suddenly feels fully themed. For the cake topper, I use the same large size again. I attach pink glitter cardstock to the back and add a pink ribbon detail. I used a simple caramel cake from the supermarket, but a homemade cake would look just as beautiful. I wrap the cake edge with small leaf-style decoration for a soft finish. Then I carefully place the topper so it feels balanced. An ordinary cake instantly becomes a statement piece. Finally, I printed the custom Minnie image as a life-size cardboard cutout. It works perfectly as a welcome sign or a photo zone feature. It's foldable, so you just bend the back to create a stand. Adding white and pink balloons makes the space feel even more magical. Helium balloons gently move in the air, which looks beautiful in photos. Placed at the entrance, it becomes a photo moment everyone will want. With just one custom image, you can create an entire birthday party setup. If you're planning a Minnie-themed birthday for your baby girl, this is a simple way to make everything feel coordinated. If there's another theme you'd like to see next, leave it in the comments. I'll make it in the next video.